Today, we're taking you inside a factory in Pakistan where old, worn-out tires are given a brand new life. Instead of being thrown away, these used tires are transformed into fuel worth millions. In today's Let's Explore the fascinating journey of how a tire is turned into oil. To begin the process, thousands of discarded tires are gathered outside the factory. Skilled workers then carefully remove the steel or metal components from inside each tire using specially designed sharp steel tools. These extracted metal parts are sent to recycling plants, where they are reused to produce rods or other steel products. Next, the outer circular sections of the tires are cut and trimmed. This step makes it easier to transport and handle the tires in the later stages without unnecessary hassle. After that, the pre-cut tires are taken into a massive industrial furnace inside the factory. Thousands of tire pieces are loaded into the furnace at once, and the opening is tightly sealed. Every bolt on the furnace door is secured to ensure that no air can enter or escape. Then comes the ignition stage. To fire up such a large furnace, a significant amount of wood is required. Workers carefully load dry wood inside the furnace to maintain consistent heating for hours. Once the fire is lit, the waiting begins. In some cases, the entire furnace is rotated automatically to ensure that heat is distributed evenly throughout. The tires are heated at high temperatures for about 10 to 15 hours without oxygen. Instead of burning, the tires break down into smoke due to the intense heat, similar to how food cooks inside a pressure cooker. This smoke or vapor is then cooled down and gradually condensed into thick black oil. Scientifically, this process is known as the pyrolysis system. The resulting dark oil can be used as a fuel source. In addition to oil, this process also produces carbon black powder. After being exposed to high heat and then cooled, this black substance becomes a valuable raw material for the rubber and plastic industries. This carbon black is also used in products like newspaper ink and photocopier toner. Meanwhile, the steel wires extracted from the tires are not wasted. They are recycled and reused to produce new metal and steel products. The oil obtained from tire pyrolysis is widely used as industrial fuel or as a raw material in refineries. Due to its availability, the demand for pyrolysis oil is rapidly increasing. However, this process also produces gases, smoke, and waste materials, which can be harmful to both workers and the environment if not properly managed. Workers in tire pyrolysis plants face health risks as the emitted gases and vapors may contain sulfur compounds, benzene, and other toxic chemicals. Long-term exposure can lead to respiratory issues, lung diseases, and other serious health conditions. That said, these risks can be controlled. By using modern filtration systems, scrubbers, gas control technologies, and proper safety standards, the negative impact can be significantly reduced. Every year, more than 1.5 billion tires are discarded worldwide. Burning a tire directly releases toxic smoke and harmful substances like carbon monoxide into the air. Moreover, it can take up to 4,000 years for a tire to fully decompose in the soil. So it's clear just how harmful discarded tires can be to the environment. This raises an important question. Would you rather let old tires sit and pollute the environment, or support converting them into fuel through controlled pyrolysis? The reality is that compared to leaving them untreated, a regulated and technology-driven pyrolysis process is a more responsible alternative. It may not be a perfect solution, but it's certainly better than neglect.